So my name is Chris Trochoutsos. I'm from Greece. The company I represent is PressiousArvantidis. We are the biggest offset printing company in Greece. And my role at the moment in the company is that I'm supervisor in the R&D department. That means that we need to find innovations and innovative ways to improve our products and optimize our production in order to be more competitive in the Greek market. It was actually a newsletter from EFRA organization. Our company is a member from EFRA in the last 4 years. So when we took the newsletter telling that there is a project on digital twin, of course we had already knowledge about what is a digital twin, but hadn't implemented digital twin in our company. So in our team, we found it's a very good way to test it and see what benefits would the digital twin makes to our company. It was very easy for us to apply for this Change to Twin program because our team has good experience in applying and founding projects. And I think the information that were requested from Change to Twin were not so much and were easy to understand, and also the procedure was very easy to apply, so we had no difficulties in applying for Change to Twin program. Actually, it was a very nice first approach because, as mentioned before, we didn't have any experience in digital twins. It was very nice because from the beginning, when we started collecting data and making different data sets in order to test the digital twin, we found out that there would be a very good benefit in our productions. So when the first KPIs, it showed that about 5% would be a benefit in our production time and 5% in our main printing procedure is about 10,000 euros per month. So it was a very nice finding all this the findings of the digital twin while testing it. And of course we want to make more digital twins and also other procedures in our production. Of course, first of all, I'd like to thank our mentor and the company because the platform they provide is super. And we believe that we have only seen a small percentage of the capabilities of the platform, which is Adonis. We had every 2 weeks we had an online meeting, so we could also see the progress of the digital twin. And it was very helpful because, as mentioned, we didn't have any experience, so we have fixed a model in Excel. It was an Excel-based approach, but then we had also to implement all this information in the platform. And that was a little bit difficult for us, but the mentor was very helpful and his team, so it was good. Actually, I have already did it. I have some colleagues, and not only in the printing section, but also in some other sections. They work also in SMEs, in the quality control and some other stuff. And because it was actually a very nice experience for us, I have already suggested to participate in this program because actually I think it was about 1 or 2 weeks ago when I received also an email telling that there's a new open call on April, I think, about the next program. So yeah, I have already did. I believe that it would be very beneficial for other companies also to join this program.